Have you seen this? Do you know what craft outfitting is? Do you have a mountain of craft supplies? Well, this is the place for you. First of all, thanks so much for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Here's what craft outfitting does for you. It is a paper piecing pattern that is free. You will create 4 12 by 12 layouts. This is what I made with my own paper. 4 12 by 12 layouts, a double layout, and 2 single layouts. While I was doing that, it just so happened the pattern makes itself available that you create 12 cards at the same time without even trying. Aren't these adorable? You simply pick from your own stash 2 papers that are the same, 2 12 by 12 papers that are different from each other and relatively plain. They're difference plain, get it? And then 2 that are off the chain, 2 crazy busy patterns. You also choose 2 sheets of cardstock 12 by 12 that are light and 2 sheets of cardstock 12 by 12 that are dark. You use embellishments and stickers, cut aparts, things from your stash that you already have. We have mountains of supplies. Let's use them. We have stamps, stickers. We're going to need small ones the size of a pinky finger, and we're going to need ones that are a little bit larger, maybe the size of the palm of our hand, and that's how we get that great look on the cards and embellishments for our scrapbook layouts. It's super easy. Just follow the paper piecing patterns. They are free for you on YouTube. Let's get some projects done. It's called Craft Outfitting. I'm going to leave a link to the playlist on Sandpaper Road. Definitely check it out, and thanks for watching.